Hello guys, welcome to this unboxing and product review. And in this unboxing and product review, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Audio-Technica AT2035. It's a condenser microphone. It's a very nice product. But before we move on, as usual, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share to friends and family, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. So guys, stay tuned as you unbox this product. So the name of this product, like I've said earlier, is Audio-Technica AT2035, in which you can see the 2035 here. It is a cardioid condenser microphone. Yes. So let's take a look around the carton. So you can see the front view here. You have the microphone image here. So yeah, you can see the logo of the Audio-Technica, and also here you can see some things being written about the product. You can see some of the features of the product. Can you see it? You can see the Cardioid condenser XLR. You can see the 10 dp pad and 88Z HPF switch, large diaphragm, included shock mount. You can also see some other stuffs in other languages that you can see here. You can see some other stuffs here. So also let's take a look at the back view. These are the backs look like. It does have some important information here. So here you can see a good image. Can you see what is showing here? It's just the picture, the image of the condenser microphone and some other things. But important things to know here is that this warning, what does it say? Warning: cancer and reproductive harm. www.p65warnings.car.gov. So which means that when you're making use of this product, beware, because it might cause cancer or reproductive harm. Beware of it and be careful when making use of this product. So I think with that, we have to unbox this product right now. So guys, actually let's talk about the price of this Audio-Technica AT2035. So I bought this at Motion for the price of 80,000 naira. So let's take a look at the price online. So I made use of my my bad AI, the Google bad AI, and then I asked for the price of this product, and this is what it shows. Can you see it? You can see that the price in naira is between 80,000 naira to 100,000 naira, and in dollars, in US dollars, is between $150 to $200. But I bought mine for 80,000 naira at Motion. So just have the price range of 80k to 100k if you're in Nigerian. For others, in dollars, $150 to $200. So guys, let's unbox these products right now. These are the manuals. So also this is a manual. Can you see that it is very big? So now we've got the real mic, which is this. This is the Audio-Technica AT2035. Yes, this is the real mic. It is a very good mic for recording music, for producing songs, for doing live broadcastings, for podcasts and many more. And it comes with a protective pouch. It also comes with a shock mount, in which you can be able to place your mic like this, so that you can be able to produce premium music. So that's all we've got inside here. So I think right now, let me just tell you the features of this product. The features of the Audio-Technica A2035 condenser microphone is that it is a cardioid condenser microphone. It comes with shock mount and protective pouch, in which you can see here, this is the shock mount, this is the protective pouch, and also it has large diagram, and also it is switchable. Yes, you can switch it. You can see low cut. It is the switchable part, the -10 dp and 0 dp. It is switchable. Take a look at it very well. And also you know, make sure that you don't make use of the product in a wrong way, and make sure you make use of it in a safety way, so that it doesn't cause cancer and reproductive harm, in which you can also see in the carton of the body. So guys, make sure you check the description section for any important information, and also the comment section, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. And guys, also if you want to know some other things or studio equipment, make sure you check the description section for the video to the link, or as an end screen in the video. Make sure you subscribe to Liftup Infotech YouTube channel, comment in the comment section below, like this video, share to friends and family, and also as usual, God bless you. Bye.